Hi, my name is Cassandra Scove. I teach third grade reading in Texas. Welcome to my channel. I like to share books and hopefully help you guys find something you like to read. We have just almost finished reading Pax by Sara Pennypacker, and there's another book that came out, and so I went ahead and bought it and read it ahead of time for my kiddos. And they cannot wait to finish Pax because they can't wait to figure out what happens. And they're going to love this one because this picks up right where Pax left off. A little bit further down the road, the war is over and Peter does go back to stay with Vola. And then he decides to set off to help these people clean the water. And they're called water warriors. And he goes and helps them go to the places where the war was and clean the water. And Pax has a family now. Him and Bristle have started a family, and he has 3 little kids, and one of them is a little girl, and she's very stubborn. And Pax decides that they need to move from where they are, where the kids have been born and everything. They need to move for their safety, and he goes out to try to find a place for them to go. And in this journey, the little girl, Kit, tries to follow him. And she follows him, and he ends up in the book running back into Peter and seeing Peter again. And I don't want to give away the ending, but it is so good. I fell in love with Peter and Pax in the first book, and you will love, love, love the second book. It's amazing. And there's a part where toward the end where my heart just started getting a little faster, and I started getting stressed out and everything. And I was like, oh my gosh. And I just had to finish it. So it's so good. So if you've read Pax, you will love Pax Journey Home. So check it out at your local bookstore or library. And if you haven't read this one, read Pax first, because it does kind of show you their relationship and everything that happens before this book. So thank you so much for coming today. I hope you have a wonderful day. And if you've read Pax, leave it in the comments. Thank you so much.